So here today I have a Acer laptop. I don't know what type it is. Whatever that says on the bottom here. Manufacturer date 2014. So it is a laptop. Came in. I plan on taking it apart a bit and seeing. And yeah, it doesn't come on. It's pretty dead. So I'm going to take it apart and see what is on the inside of this Acer laptop. And hopefully I can get her apart because, you know, me, I'm not big on knowing how to do this kind of stuff. But I am learning. But I do like to take things apart. Oh, okay. I guess that just comes off. That's got to be a hard drive. Sticks of RAM, I'm guessing. I'm guessing. Let us see if we can get some of these screws out. One screw. There's quite a few in here. That one's loose. That one's loose. Maybe somebody has been into this. That one is now loose. Loose? Yeah, some of these screws are quite loose. Loose. Me, I'm just trying to loosen these up. That one's gone. Loose. So I can use my drill here and I can just zip these out. I do have a light set up here, by the way, giving me some light on this, so nice to have some light. That one's loose. Loose. Is there one here? I think there is. I think that one's screwed up though. That's probably not good. Alright, let us zip the rest of these out quickly. Out. Out. Is it going to have screws underneath these? No, I don't think it does. This thing it whips him out quick. Did I get this one? Yes. I think I did. Yes, I did. I think I'm going to take this out. There we go. Let me take this one out here. It seems to be holding it in. That one's out. Any more I can see? Yes. There. We got all those screws out. Mostly. Except for one right here that looks like it's going to be a bit ornery. Oh, I got it. I thought it was buggered up, but it's not. There we go. I got that. Now, as we can see, this one actually, nice, real nice. Oh well, it's broken anyways. This one has a hard drive? No, that's not it. I don't know what that is. Dang it. There's things I just don't know. Well, there's a lot of things I don't know. How does this come up? I don't know. Hard drive. You know what? I'm gonna leave that alone. Leave it alone for now. Okay, so it is snapped in a bit here. snapped in. Yeah, I should probably be using something different than a screwdriver. I would if I cared. But I don't care. There is another screw right here. And here, I thought I got those. Did I? Ah, there we go. And those screws do come out. So, that hard drive is. And the phone. Great. Okay, I got the hard drive out. Didn't take much prodding. I did bend it a bit here, but that is really thin metal. What kind do we have here? Of course, it's a Seagate. 500 gigabyte. 500 gigabyte. Any screws underneath here? I don't see any. So, why are you being ornery? I just want you to come up. Is there things held on here? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Okay. There we go. There is actually little wires here. Well, okay, let's do it this way. How do we unhook these? There we go. Guess that wasn't too hard. Ooh, there we go. So far so good. I'm guessing. I'm not really sure. But there's the keyboard. So that's the keyboard. And wow. Got some things here. Got little chips here for the touchpad. But that doesn't have much more on it. I don't know what these are up here. I'm not a computer guy. I just like to rip things apart and learn as I go. So, I don't know where that came from. What do we got here? So I got that. Okay. That. What am I looking at here? That's the top of the board. I want to get down to the bottom of the board. Let us take off this first. Maybe I'll learn something. Maybe I won't. There we go. Go. Take that one off. I'll take off what I can see. Okay, I got one here. And this is the cooling fan, I believe. Yes. Oh, there's another one there. Cooling fan. Don't know if it's any good for anything else. And we got the cooling fan off. It's quite dirty inside, so, but it still works. Cute little fan. And is there anything holding down? Yes, there is. There is a screw right here. Holding down the motherboard. Anything else here? Ah, I see. I had to slide that. There we go. I'll just unplug this little doohickey here. That. And there we go. Okay, we're down to that. What is this? WLAM Mac 1 main. I don't know. Is that the Wi-Fi chip? Because it could be. I'm not smart enough to know if that's a Wi-Fi chip. Can I unplug some things here? Yes. Yes, I can. Plug this. Is this unplugged? Yes. Oh, it's so nice when things unplug. This. Oh, okay, that unplugs too. All right, we got this motherboard here, and the little chip for this motherboard is underneath the heatsink and everything here. I'd like to know what this is. What is this? I don't know what that is. But uh-oh. Okay, that might have been a mistake. Yeah, I kind of buggered those screws up. Dang it. But I got that one. I might have to do something with those other two. Or I can just bend it up. I'll probably just bend it up, just to see what the chip is in here. Okay, it came apart, so that actually worked. Nothing extravagant here. And these are the RAM, I believe. And what is this? This is a 4 gigabyte stick of a data RAM. And it has another stick in here of 2 gigabyte SK Hynix 2 gigabyte stick. So it's got 6 gigabytes in total. Is that what we're doing here? Double stick RAM? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But let me see if I can wipe off these chips and see what this thing was running for a chip. It is fun taking apart computers. First time actually me taking apart a laptop. So I really have no clue. Okay, there is nothing written on there. So, anything written around here? This thing is so dirty inside. The people who had this did not treat it very nice. There was food and all sorts of things on the inside of this machine. No wonder it quit. So, oh, there's something written there. No, nothing that I can actually see though. So I don't know what the chip is in here. It's a small chip, but it is a laptop. So, but that is the inside of one of these Acers. It wasn't that special, I don't think. So it had a hard drive. So, but I know that hard drives. Sometimes people run SSDs with hard drives also. So I'm not really sure how good this one was. I don't know anything about this Acer laptop. I'm guessing it did its job fine, but I don't really know. But I don't know what the chip is, so got a chip here, but that's not a chip for. It did have 6 gigabytes of RAM, it looks, so wow. And I don't even know, maybe the RAM's been changed out in this before, or they added RAM to it, because it seems like this one may have been the original, and then they added 4 gigabytes of RAM. Anyways, I'm going to hold on to those anyways. Holding on to RAM is probably a good thing. Or not. Don't know anything about computers as much as I'm trying to learn. So, it really wasn't that much. This was a lot harder than taking apart a laptop or something. Not a laptop, a desktop. So desktops are a lot easier to get into than these laptops. But I thank you for watching, and I'll continue to bring videos to you, hopefully as good or better than this one. Thanks for watching.